These are ants, an army of ants. Ants are collective living insects that can carry objects 10 times heavier than their bodies. This incredible strength comes from the coordination of thousands of ants. Working as one, they live as one team. A bird. A flock of birds. Birds fly south to make their nests, optimizing airflow and saving energy by flying in a V shape. They follow in one direction. Flower. The pistil. Bees pollinate pistils to produce fruit. Bees rely on flower pistils to produce honey and survive. Together, they create a sustainable ecosystem for nature. They have one goal. Look back in history. Italians sparked a renewed interest in the classical learning of the ancient world in a period called the Renaissance. The achievements of the Renaissance opened a new era for human civilization, lasting for centuries. This extraordinary success was not the work of an individual, but an entire society. A society with one vision. From nature to society, success doesn't come from individual effort alone, but from many people's close and persistent connections. This alignment is governed by 4 fundamental factors: one team, one vision, one goal, one direction.
So, let's imagine.
5 years from now, who do you really want to become?
What if?
What if we work together as one unit, united in achieving extraordinary goals? What if we were so closely connected that I am you and you are me, learning and growing every day together by working thoughtfully for the interests of others in the team? We can prove that a supportive environment is our greatest strength. What if we refused all distractions and focused solely on the one goal shared by the entire team, leveraging our combined knowledge and strength, adapting to the ever-changing landscape around us? We aspire to help many people live with love, care, and integrity. Our team will establish a reputation for a high-integrity culture that fosters peace of mind and supports each team member's career growth. Picture a team so willing to pull together that we unite where needed, even on the most hectic days. We understand that the most challenging milestones are rarely reached alone, but can be achieved through the power of unity. That is the value of one team. What if? What if we revolutionized the life insurance industry by building a culture of genuine care? We could create a powerful safety net for families rooted in compassion. Consider enabling opportunities for ordinary people to own a business without prior experience or capital. Our vision is about elevating human potential. We aim for a dream big enough to encompass all our visions, guided by strong ethical values and standards. What if we became the premier training ground for all life insurance leaders? We wouldn't just revolutionize the industry in terms of professionalism and work ethic. That is the value of one vision. Imagine if we joined forces to pursue a shared, ambitious goal. It would give our lives profound meaning. Decades from now, our bond would remain unbreakable. What if we seized life-changing opportunities with a willingness to learn and an unstoppable mindset? Becoming the best versions of ourselves? Achieving financial comfort would lead to a better global economy. What if we could eliminate the stranglehold of greed for money and power? Guided by the pursuit of happiness, we could shed the burdens of anger, addiction, and all that hinder us from discovering life's true meaning. That is the value of one goal. What if we all moved in the same direction? driven by a shared purpose. By providing financial solutions, we could help 333.3 million people protect their lives and their loved ones. 𝗨 offices will branch out to all the states to help more people. Imagine if we all moved in the same direction, driven by a shared purpose, building a brighter future. This unified force would be a magnet, attracting corporations, associates, and organizations eager to join the fight against poverty, champion education, and leave a lasting positive impact on our planet. What if, together, we built something truly world-changing, attracting more talent to join us? We are united. We are one. We can bring financial freedom and happiness to everyone. That is the value of one direction.
At this very moment, we have all the answer. We need to take action to grow ourselves, to enhance who we are as a person so we can help more people around the world. One team, one vision, one goal, and one direction.
Together, we build value for life.